Shark Week, everybody. Toddler Shark Week, everybody. Hi. Hi, everybody. It's Miss Penny again. Guess what this week is? Shark Week. This is a fun week. You get to learn all about sharks. Sharks. They're not as bad as you think, guys. They live in the ocean. Did you know that? They live in the water and in the ocean. Some of them live in the ocean and they can also travel into the freshwater. And not all sharks are bad. I mean, not all sharks aren't bad anyway, but not all sharks, they don't go out into the ocean thinking, I'm gonna go find a person and I'm gonna bite them. They go out into the ocean to swim, and they go out into the ocean, and then when they're hungry, they go and look for food, and they are not looking for people, for humans. They're looking for the types of food that sharks eat. And some sharks eat other fish. Some sharks eat other sharks even, but they don't look for people. So you are safe. Okay. So I am going to send home this fun facts shark sheet for a big person to read to you, so you can learn all about a couple different kinds of sharks and what they do. I'm going to send home this neat paper that tells you all about all the different kinds of sharks there are in the ocean. There are a lot. There's not just one certain kind. There are so many. There's big, huge ones, and there's little tiny ones. So there's just lots. And we're going to do a craft. Is that what you've been waiting for? Yes. We are going to do baby shark craft. So we have the directions here for your big person to help you. We also have this fun coloring paper, so you can just color on that, but that's not the craft, okay? The craft is painting, because who doesn't like to paint? Everybody likes to paint, right? So if everybody could go and grab either a smock or make sure that you have clothes on that are okay to get dirty. Go do that now, okay? Are you all set, Addie? You got it all on? All right. Haley, are you all set? Do you have all your clothes on that are okay to get dirty, or a smock? Good job. All right. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna make this fun craft, okay? So what you're going to have are, you're gonna get two paper plates, two big white paper plates, and you're going to have some yellow paint. So you're gonna need a paintbrush. So if you don't have a paintbrush, run and get one. Run and grab a paintbrush, good job. And you'll need either some tape or some glue. Stick glue should work just fine. And you'll also need some scissors. And you might even need your big person to help you. So grab some scissors, you and your big person, okay? Some of the things that you'll need to cut are, ooh, I'm knocking stuff over. A baby shark face and the fins that are gonna go onto your shark, okay? So that's what you might need help with cutting. Before you start any of this, you're gonna take your yellow paint and open it up. Yeah, make sure that you have your space covered up with something so you don't get it all stained up and dirty, okay? And you're going to paint your paper plates yellow, all right? And then you're gonna let them dry, because they have to be dry for this. So you should have two paper plates and they should both be yellow, okay? When that's all done, then we'll move on. So paint. Then you're gonna have to let it dry, and that's gonna take some patience, but I know that you can do it. So while you're letting it dry, maybe you could go have a snack, or you can go dance, or you can go build with some blocks. And then or even more, you could cut out your shark face while you're waiting for it to dry. And you'll have to cut these fins out of the paper, and then you'll have to trace them onto one of your yellow paper plates, okay? So you'll cut all of these. There are 2 pages of them, all right? You want to cut them all out because you're going to have to use them. So I have these cut out. I cut them out. You have to use them and put them on one plate. All of them will fit onto one plate, okay? Trace them. You might have to have your big person help. Trace them out and then cut them out, okay? So I have that all finished here. I've got all my pieces. So I've cut, I've traced, I've cut, traced, cut. Yep, lots of cutting. Good for your fingers. It is, trust me. All right, so once all that is done, we have and if everything is dry, then it's time to get going. We get to make our baby shark face, okay? This is when we put it together. So now we want to put our baby shark together, okay? So we're going to take the yellow plate that we did not cut up, and we're going to put the baby shark face on there. And we can use the glue stick for this, okay? So I am going to you can do this whatever order you want to do. I'm going to do the mouth first just because it's the biggest piece. I want to make sure I can fit that mouth on there, okay? So you're going to just put your baby shark face on your paper plate. I've put mouth. All right, and then I'm going to do the eyes. Uh-oh. I see an eye missing. That's not a good thing, everybody. It's got to be here somewhere. I know it's got to be here somewhere because I cut it out. So let me just look around. Well, my baby shark may just get one eye. And well, that's okay because we all know what it's supposed to look like, right, guys? Is that okay if my baby shark just has one eye? That's all right. All right, that's fine. I don't know where his other eye would have went. Poor shark. That's okay. You know what? It's okay to just have one eye. Some people do. All right, then you're just gonna put the little nostrils, which those may have been really tricky to cut out because those are really tiny. So if you've got those, you can kind of put those on there. And then the star, you can put the little star on there. So here's my one-eyed baby shark face. I honestly don't know where the other eye went. It's okay. I'm gonna let it go. Just let it go, right? Let it go. All right, now we're gonna put Mr. Shark together. Well, the rest of baby shark together, okay? We're gonna take the fins and put those on the bottom. I don't know if I'm gonna glue these or not. Let's find out if glue sticks very well. We'll find out. We'll find out together, right? We'll find out together. So, let me see how it kind of goes like this, you know? I think the stick glue might not work so well for this. So I am going to refer to my tape, okay? Tape it is. So remember that your plate should be dry too before you have started this, okay? Tape it is. If your glue is working, that's awesome. My glue was not working, so that's why I am using tape. I'm okay with that. Are you okay with that? I'm okay with that. All right, so I've got baby shark's fins on. Now I'm going to put, those are the bottom fins. Now I'm going to put the top fin on. Let me see exactly how it goes. It's a little, how do you go? How do you go, fin? Kind of like that? Yeah, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna put it like that. So we put the fin on the top. You, again, can have your big person help you. You could probably use a stapler for this part too, everybody. If you don't have the tape or if the glue's not working, a stapler could work too. There we go, fin on the top. And now he needs his tail. So let's put the tail like so. Just trying to see what the best way to put it is. I guess like this. I'm gonna put it like this. Okay. Tail, gonna go like this. Tail, for Baby Shark. How many of you guys watch Baby Shark? Like how many of you sing that song all the time? Like, does everybody know it? Yeah, it's a pretty catchy tune. I think when we have our baby sharks all made, we should all sing it together. What do you think? Yeah, I say so. All right. Now, this goes at the end. Oh, why is that flapping? I have a piece flapping. This goes, I have a piece flapping I might have to add. At the end, it kind of makes this tail. There we go. Oh, kind of finishes off with the tail so it really looks like a tail. There we go. All right. And voila, Baby Shark is complete. Missing an eye, mine is. Hopefully you guys did not lose an eye the way I did. And if you did, it's okay. There we go, Baby Shark. Ah, he's so cute. Baby Shark is so adorable. And that is it. I hope your big person was able to help you with this a little bit. I hope you guys learned a little bit about some sharks, or you're going to, because really, sharks are fun. Look at this. It's a whale shark. Okay, who is ready to sing? I mean, come on, we have to sing Baby Shark, right? I mean, we just made him, so you can't make Baby Shark and not, like, sing the song. They kind of go hand in hand, don't you think? Let's put him up like this. Will he stay? That is the question. Baby Shark's gonna stay. Okay. All right, everybody, get ready. Get ready. I don't know if I can stand up because you won't be able to see me as well, so I'm going to try and do this sitting down. Okay. Whew. All right, everybody. Are you ready? Yeah. All right. Well, I'm just going to do, like, so much. All right. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. So get your hands ready. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run, I think it says run away, but I'm going to say swim away. So let's go swim away, do, 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 swim away, do, 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 do. Why are we swimming, guys? Swim away, do, 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 swim away. Okay, I am not a pro at that song, everybody, but I hope you had fun. I've never really sang that song without watching it and doing it with them. So I hope I did it right. I hope you guys did it with me, and I hope you had fun. And I hope that you learn so much more about sharks, because they really are an interesting creature, and they really are important to our oceans. You guys have so much fun coloring your coloring sheet. Have so much fun making your baby shark, hopefully with 2 eyes. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.